We'll guide you through how to install MiniGW Complier in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's going to continue.
Now just go ahead and open your preferred web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then just go ahead and search for MiniGW Compiler and then press enter. Now from here, just go ahead and go to the official website for MiniGW Compiler, which is from SourceForge, and you will land in the main dashboard. From here, just go ahead and click on download option, and now your setup exe file will be successfully downloaded. After that, just go ahead and open your file explorer, and then just go ahead and navigate to the downloads folder. If you don't see your exe file, you can just go ahead and refresh, and then you will see your MinGW get set up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. After that, just go ahead and click on install. Now here you will see this is the installation directory. After that, you can just go ahead and click on continue. Now the installer will begin copying the required file. This may usually take a minute or two, and once the installation is complete, just go ahead and click on continue at the bottom to open the MinGW installation manager. And this is where you will choose which compiler packages that you want to install. Now you will see list of all packages. First, just go ahead and locate MinGW 32 base and just go ahead and toggle it on, and then choose mark for installation. And then the second option is going to be MinGW 32 GCC G++. Just go ahead and select that and choose to mark for installation. If you plan to write both C and C++ program, these two packages are the most important ones. You will also see additional packages such as developer toolkit if you need them later, but for most beginner, the base package and the C++ compiler are enough to get started. Once you have marked the packages, just go to the top menu at the left hand side and click on installation, and then from here just go ahead and click on apply changes, and then from here just go ahead and click on apply, and MinGW will download and install the selected packages. So just wait for it to complete. Depending on your speed, this may take several minutes, so just wait until the installation reaches 100%. Once you see a message saying that all changes were applied successfully, you can just go ahead and click on close. At this point, MinGW is installed, but Windows still does not know where to find it. So we need to add MinGW to the Windows path environment variable. So just go ahead and close the installation manager, and from here just go ahead and navigate to the directory where you had MinGW installed, which in my case was local disk C, and then here it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and open MinGW folder, and then now just go ahead and go inside the bin folder, and then just go to the address bar and click once, and then press Ctrl C to copy the URL. After that, just go to your Windows search bar, and then just go ahead and search for edit, and you should see edit the system environment variable. Just go ahead and click on that, and now your this pop-up will appear. Here just go ahead and click on environment variable, and then you'll see system variable. Just go ahead and double click on the path, and then just go ahead and click on new, and from here just go ahead and press Ctrl and V key on the keyboard to paste it exactly, and then place, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. After that, you can just go ahead and close this. So now let's verify if it is installed correctly. So go to your Windows search bar and type cmd and hit enter to open the command prompt. Now in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type g++ space double hyphen and version. After that, you can just go ahead and press enter. And now if the installation was successful, you will see the installed version of GNU C++ compiler displayed on your screen. That confirms MinGW has been installed correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.